Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all very affordable jewelry haul. So if you are interested in knowing what all I got from everstylist.com, then please keep on watching. So I got to know about everstylist.com from Instagram. So I was just scrolling through my feed one day and their sponsored ad just popped on in between, and I just checked their page and I fell in love. Like, all the pieces were so unique and they were really cheap, so I just wanted to try it for myself and wanted to know if these jewelry are really good quality or not. So I just went ahead and ordered a bunch of jewelry for myself as well. So one thing I want to mention here is that they take a lot of time to ship your product. Like, mine take around 20 to 25 days, and after that they shipped it, and after 5 to 6 days I received my product. So they're gonna take a lot of time. That's what I don't like. I want my things very early in my hand, but it's okay, it's worth your wait, so it's not gonna be a huge problem. But yeah, let's just dive into this haul now. I'm gonna start with this beautiful neck piece I ordered, because this is the only neck piece I've ordered. Other than that, we have earrings and finger rings. So this is how the neck piece looks like. I'm gonna put the close up over here, so you're gonna get the better idea of it. I will mention the price on the screen and even in the description bar below, so please check that out. So this is how this Ghungru wala neck piece looks like. It's very amazing. It looks much better when you wear it. I was not sure about this one because I don't personally like choker necklaces, because I have very short neck, as you can see, so chokers don't usually suit me. But I still wanted to give it a try, but because it has this longer chain at the back, so it's adjustable, and that's why it's not a big deal for me, and it looks amazing on me. So that's the first thing I ordered from everstylist.com. I think everyone should have this in their closet, especially if you are Gujarati, because this will be a huge statement piece for you in Navratri, and you're gonna rock your Navratri very well. So yeah, have it if you like such kind of chokers. It's something really different. I haven't seen something like this in any other website. So yeah, that's the first thing I ordered. Now moving on to the finger rings, I'm going to show you what I ordered in rings, because I have only ordered 2 of them, and both of them are very pretty. I love them a lot, and that's how the ring look like. This one is the first one, and here is the sleeve kind of finger ring, which is the second ring I ordered. I will put the prices on the screen, don't worry about that. I absolutely love such huge chunky rings. I have a lot of them, but I didn't have anything in such shape, and ये तो ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे पास. I thought it's gonna look very simple, but still, see, even if you wear it alone now, it's gonna look amazing. I love such classy pieces, and here's the chunky one. You can even pair this together and it's gonna look so beautiful on your hand. So these are the next thing I ordered. Now I'm gonna show you the oxidized jewelry, oxidized earrings I got from everstylist.com. So this one is the first one. This is huge earrings. Okay, it looked very small on the website, but it came in very bigger size. I absolutely love the way it looks on me. Again, I'm a huge fan of oxidized jewelry, so I can never have enough oxidized earrings as well. So this one adds up to my collection. It looks very amazing, and the quality is definitely good. It's heavy a little bit. It's not too lightweight. This one is a little bit heavy, but it's not gonna feel too heavy on your ears. So that's the next piece we have here. Now the next item is my most favorite from the entire haul, because when I wore it, it looked so cute and so amazing. These tiny trinklets have my heart, man. This is so beautiful, and these are very lightweight. All the jewelry are very lightweight, only this I felt a little heavier. Other than that, all of the earrings are very lightweight, so you won't feel anything at all. So this is the next thing we have. Oh my god, this looks so good, and the quality is also very good from everstylist.com. Now I'm gonna show you all the golden earrings I ordered, but there was some little bit of disappointment. because I feel like, okay, wait, let me show you the earrings first. So these are the next earrings I got. I don't remember the price, so you will see somewhere on the screen. But the thing is, I feel like the color is already fading. I don't know, it looks little dull to me. They look amazing on me, but I feel like it's gonna turn black real soon, so I have to take care of it a lot, because I can feel like it's already fading away. The golden color is already fading away, so that's my concern. But I don't know, only 2 of my earrings have such issue. Other than that, I don't have any problem with any other rings. So this is the next piece I order. This bulky ring looks very bulky, but it's very lightweight and you will feel very pretty when you wear it. Moving on to the next item we have are these hoops. I don't own a single hoop. Okay, this is my first hoop purchase. So I went ahead and bought these heavy duty hoops. I know there are very slim hoops also available, but I just wanted to try if this looks good on me or not. But I am very happy with this one as well. Again, this one is very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavier at all, but the look is very heavy. Like when you wear it, it will look very heavy. So that's how it opens, and there is no compromise on the quality here. I really love the way it looks on me. Now next thing is the similar kind of earrings. Both of them looks almost same, just the upper portion is little bit different. So here you can clearly see that the color of this thing has been completely gone. Like this one feels shiny and it looks shiny, but this one is already turning black. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it feels cute, and for the price I don't think we have to worry about it. But still, man, wish this was properly delivered, but it's okay now. So that's the next thing, and the similar one looks something like this. I like this one better because the look of this is very different and unique. So these are the next earrings. Next up we have stud kind of earrings, and I absolutely loved this one. I got these specifically to wear with my black dresses or maroon, and I have one burgundy dress as well, so I think that's gonna go very well with those. I think any western wear, you can pair this with any western wear. Even the basic tees and shirts, you can totally pair this with them as well. So these are the next earrings I have. From this haul are again kind of stud, but not like super stud. So these are the last earrings I got from everstylist.com. I'm so sorry guys, I'm very bad at explaining the pattern and the detail and everything, so I'm just going to show you how they look and how they look on me as well, so you can have an idea. So these are the last earrings I got from everstylist.com. So yeah guys, that was all for today's haul. I will put all the links and website link and product links and prices and everything in the description bar below, so don't forget to check that out. I hope you guys like this video. I would say you can go with this website, but you'll have to be careful. Like some of the piece you might not like, some of the piece you might absolutely like. So yeah, and prices are very affordable, so I think that's not gonna be an issue at all. So yeah, just go ahead and explore yourself, because they have variety of earrings, variety of finger rings. They have different tons of like delicate golden chains as well. So you can go and check yourself. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do more jewelry haul. I will definitely do that for you. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.